going on, what is wrong with the field, maybe fungus, maybe something they can affect them, disease, and then they can track it on time and they can control it. So that's the reason of the little. Like I say, he's playing it across a little noisy like that. Ah yeah, so they use airplanes to fertilize the fields, and then so as they once again they flow over these big fields, not all the plants will produce bananas at the same time. They need to put the plastic bag for the ones that are big enough ready. So that's why the pilot, they gotta go look down and they gotta look for the glue. So when they see plastic bags on the plants, so those means that those are ready to be sprayed out, sprayed by the fertilizer. If they fly over the field and it's not glue on it, it's not plastic bag, so those are not ready yet. They're not supposed to fertilize those. So right now, so they gotta wait later on and they keep flying. They pick the blue color, the all blue. First person to have this idea, pick the blue color in order to not confuse the pilots, so they keep it blue all the time. So, yeah, that's pretty much about it. I know you're gonna add something.
Yeah, maybe on the plastic bag, that like some kind of physics on the blue color. Yeah, it has that effect of short wavelength, so it can reflect off the UV light. Where we are, there's a lot of UV, and if that UV has direct contact on the banana, it will burn off before the right time. So that blue color helps to reflect off of the wavelength of the UV light. That is also something that
something else that we don't be able to see here is the flower. The thing is, oh yeah, we got one back there. Yeah, can you guys see it? Actually, it's kind of walks around.
I think that was better for the badger.
Can you come over here, please? Come over. So that is an inflorescence there. Because it has a bunch of plants with flowers, we have the male and the female flower. So in the male flower, that's where the bananas come from. Then the male flower, they are right down away. That's why you call it an inflorescence, because it has a combination of flowers. Basically, it's the other one. So now, like as is, maybe he talked about it, the gestation is between like 9 months to 10 months. And we here in the university we have like 1.5, that is the harvest per year. Then the density of planting, it is around 2,000 plants per hectare. That is the density that we are using. So now, like after the inflorescence surfaces, like on it has given out an inflorescence, we only wait for 13 weeks. That's when the banana can be harvested. So that's when those pilots come around to see. Now this is like maybe in week 4. Then they can tie up those, now red they say, maybe in week 13, red has to be harvested on week that and that and that. So they put on those like type of bags to see in which week they will be harvested. Then another thing which is important here, so now we are having our plant here. So you can imagine that on each banana fruit, they cut off 2 clusters below. And they leave 1 to 2 fingers. Like in this case, we are having like 1 finger. But they cut off this cluster and they cut off this cluster. So they have to sacrifice someone. So why do you think they do that? Why do they have to cut off 2 false?
To keep it for
give more nutrients to the other ones.
Yeah.
Trees.
You're on the track. What is another reason?
New trees. How does it add this?
So anything, any answer you are having is right. So long as you argue it to right, it is the right answer. So don't feel shy to give out what you think about.
it keeps it fresh and it'll keep it growing.
Yeah, it keeps it growing. So now you can watch in this like in this region where we are in tropical humidor. So the main disease that we are having, they are all like they are fungi that attack this. So the thing they do is they start from the flower, then they attack up to the stalk. Now, do you see this black color? Mm-hmm. That is a fungi which is attacking this plant. So it is going to eat up to this banana. So by the time it reaches where these clusters are, this banana will be ready for harvesting. So it will not affect that. So we sacrifice this such that the fungi cannot attack the what? The fruit. Then why do you think we leave this one banana?
To like,
Hold up the bag like
to like keep the fungus from growing too fast.
Someone is saying to give us support. Like, you know, these men, when they are harvesting the bananas, they come, they pull this with a lot of force. Then they have that long knife, they cut up. Then he holds here, he puts it on his chest and he puts it on the cable. That is also another thing. They give us the grip where to attach where we are harvesting banana. Then another point is, you see the nutrients are coming down. Now remember we cut off the clusters down. So the nutrients have to be equally distributed within the banana. So this small banana that we leave on the down part is the banana that is going to help us to equally distribute the nutrients as it would have been even if these bananas were not cut. That is the main reason why we do that. So that is also something important we need to know. I think that's it. So if I ask you what is a banana to you, when you look at it, what is it? Like I can say the other one is a mango tree. That's a tree. Now,
It's a plant, it's a stem.
yeah, of course, no doubt it is a plant. What else can you say?
grass.
To be in a specific grass.
It's a life
Oh, we cannot say it is grass maybe.
It's a
a
fruit.
life source.
Like it gets food.
Yeah, it is a shrub. So banana is a shrub. So
Nos equivocamos, es que como no nos pusieron a nadie, yo me metí para acá y no me iba a volver.
yo andaba ahí
Tenemos que ir. Es que vamos a ir para el cuarto.
esperando, yo no sabía él estaba por acá.
Yo fui el que me metí aquí. Pues es que ya nos vamos, entonces si nos íbamos para la otra finca se atrasaba todo el curso.
No,
Ya nos vamos
falta
como 5 minutos.
ya nos vamos. Pero yo andaba ahí, creo que 4 y él estaba por aquí, yo no sabía, pero yo le dije a él, tiene que estar en el 4. Pero ahorita vamos. So that's the thing. We sacrifice some of the bananas, but we save the whole bunch. So that is basically what always goes around. So now that is one thing you need to know. This is a shrub. You cannot say it is a tree because it doesn't have timber. You cannot. Just a collection of leaves that come together and they form the plant. So and another thing, maybe you already talked about it, like the next generation will keep on the tree. So we have the grandchild, like we have the grandma, we have the mom and the kid. So that is always what we keep around, only 3 per production. So we have to keep that. So